Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth. For this month's tech topics, I'm going to be covering how to print an attachment from an email. So day to day at the library, this is something that I see people having issues with a lot. So I just wanted to go over the basics of it so that you'll feel confident enough to try it next time once I tell you how to do it here. So for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome to demonstrate. So that's going to be the browser that I'm using. If instead you choose to use like Internet Explorer or Firefox to access your email, things will look a little different, but they will function the same. I do recommend using Google Chrome, and I recommend not using Internet Explorer because I have had times in the past where something's not working, so you have to close out and go in with a different browser. So as we're going along here, if you ever have any issues, the first thing I always try and recommend is closing out of your browser, especially if you're using Internet Explorer, and then trying to log into your email through a different browser like Google Chrome here or Firefox. So I'm going to go over how to print from 3 different email providers. So I'm going to do Gmail, AOL, and Yahoo. And you might have a different email provider, but even if you do, things will look very similar to how they do in each of these. The basic process is the same for all of them, but it does kind of look a little bit different. But once you know the basics, you'll be able to do it on your own here. So first I'm going to go over Gmail. So as you can see, I'm in my email already and logged in. And for an example here, I have a form that I sent to myself. And a lot of the times with these email attachments that you need to print, it'll be a form, and then they want you to fill it out and send it back to them. I'm not going to go over that part, but I will go over just showing you how to print from your email. So here you can see is the body of the email, and then at the bottom here in Gmail, there's the attachment. And you can see a preview, and when I hover over it with the mouse, you can see there's a download arrow here, or you can add it to your drive, which is like the cloud storage that Gmail has. But to print, all you need to do is just click on it once, and that'll open a preview here. And you can scroll down and see what it looks like. And then if you want to print, there will be a printer icon right here in the right-hand side. So I'm going to click on that, and then it opens in a new tab. So if you ever need to go back to your email, it'll be right here. And then here is the new document. And the reason it does that is because this is just a preview. This is not really saved anywhere, but once you click on it, it downloads it, and now you're able to print it. So to print, again, you can see all the pages that you have here. And then just like in Gmail, there's a printer icon on the right-hand side. So you click on that and it'll bring up a little box here that has the preview, all your settings that you can choose to change. So here you can choose how many pages. If you don't want this first page, you can create a custom pages to print. You can also print double-sided. And once you have all those selections, you just hit the green print button, or the blue print button, I'm sorry, and then that'll be printed for you. So that is how it works in Gmail. So then I'm going to go over how to use it on AOL. Now I'm already logged in here, but as you can see, there's the mail, or there's a little mailbox icon right here. So I'm going to click on that, and that'll take me to my email inbox. And sometimes it takes a minute to load, or a little bit longer than a minute. Okay, so we'll go to my inbox here. And it's the same form, I'm just to make it easy, I'm using the same form for each of these. So I'm going to click on the message that I need. And as you can see here, let me actually go back. There is a little paper clip here. That is the symbol for attachment. So if something is attached to an email, you'll see that little paper clip. So let me open that. And as you can see, it looks a little bit different than Gmail in here. So there's the body of the message, and the attachment is actually listed here by the name it was saved under. So there's no real preview, but if I click on it, it will open. Actually, it's taking a little bit here. There we go. So instead of like in Gmail where there was a preview, once I click on this, it automatically downloads it to my device here. So if I click on that, it'll open with a preview like we saw before. So the same as in Gmail, you just find the printer icon in the right-hand side, and it's just the same options here for printing. So it's just a little bit different, but you'll see once you click on that, you'll see the file name come up. So there, that's AOL, and then we'll do Yahoo just finally here. So as you can see, it does again look a little bit different, but the same icons are used throughout. So there's the mail up here or mail here. So I'll click on that. And then that'll take me to my inbox. And here you can see that instead of a paper clip, it just has a little, what looks like a little piece of paper. And that means that something is attached. So here, there's the body of the email, and then there is the attachment down here. There is no preview that you can see here, but if I click preview, I'll show you in a minute, or you can just download it right away without previewing. So I clicked preview, and from here, just like in Gmail, you can scroll and see what it looks like. You can download it or go forward in your inbox. You can make it full screen so you can see it bigger, or you can close out, but we want to print. So I'm going to click the print button here. And that is going to, similarly to AOL, it's going to save it to the my laptop here. So if I click on that, it opens just the same. And then you can also, like I said, use the print settings to customize it how you want. And just as an example here, actually, I'm going to go in Internet Explorer just so you can see what it looks like to do it from a different browser, at least one. So I'm going to go to my Gmail. Oops. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to open up, and you see it looks very similar to how it looks on Chrome. So this is Chrome, this is Internet Explorer. So the only thing that changes really is what's up here. The Gmail format is the same. So just like in Chrome, we can click on the preview, open it up, and then go to print. And just like before, it opens in a new tab. And I have to do this here. And sometimes it'll take it a minute. Okay, so now we can see that it's open. And as you can see, it looks a little bit different. So you can still see all the pages, but the settings, instead of being on top, they're on the bottom here. And there's a little floppy disk you can hit to save, or you can click print, and that'll open the print settings from Internet Explorer. Yeah, so that is the presentation. So I hope it was helpful, just kind of showing you the basic steps on how to print something from your email. So next time you have something you need to fill out or send back, it'll be easy for you to try it on your own. And if you need any assistance, you can always feel free to contact us at the library. So when you're here at the library and you need help, you can always go to the information desk or help desk, or you can call us. We do have temporary hours right now, so these are our temporary hours. Or you can see our phone numbers here for Salem and Twin Lakes. Like I said, I hope that was helpful. Thank you.